Alright, this is a Chevy 2003. Customer complaint that there is a oil leaks. Alright, and also making a strange noise under the hood. Already, so we will be doing a diagnostic on this one, and I told the customer that we'll let the customer know what we find out. Already. Hey guys, I can hear some noise from underneath. Can you hear it? Right, I can hear some noise out there. Alright, so can you hear the noise? That sounds like the flywheel hitting the starter. Right there, see it? The noise. See that noise? That sounds like the flywheel is hitting the starter. That's a metal to metal hitting the starter. Flywheel hitting the starter. Alright, so we'll let the customer know about this problem. Okay. Already. Alright, okay. The oil leaks. I think this is coming from the rear seal. Alright, so as you can see, there's oil starting to form right there. The oil starting to form. Right, so there is the oil that is starting to form right here, see it? Right there. So I wiped that thing off. Now we got oil starting to form right there. Okay, so anyway, we'll let the customer know what the problem is on this vehicle. The rear seal is leaking oil. Alright, already. Okay, and thank you for watching my video.